You boys and girls. This is sick, but I don't think I'm gonna catch anything. Oh, I caught a big one! Big one, homie! It's so big. Let's cast with one hand real quick. Let's lock in place. Boy. There's probably nothing in here. Never fished right here before. There's a big root over there. That's cool. Dude, I caught another big one. Look at it. Holy. Let me grab this ginormous one. It's flopping everywhere. Found this creek I found the other day. Over in my back of my property. See if there's any fish in it. Yeah. Let's head down there. It's cold out here, dude. Thank you for 100 views on hunting for deer. Thank you guys. So yeah. Let's head down here. I might fish this video. I don't know yet. We just have to see. We might explore. We might do a bunch of stuff. I'm back. At the time, my AirTV. I think it's so cold. There's ice here. I'm out. Who wants some icicles? Yo, it's actually hot ice. That's crazy. All this mud is so hard. Holy crap. You can't sit on it yet. Probably never can, honestly. Oh, let's go this way. I was just having fun cracking ice. More ice. Crack this. I think it's thicker here. Alright, guys. I walk on the trees because I'm wearing shoes. White shoes for some reason. Go check it out. Sorry, I can't stop cracking the ice. And if there's fish in this creek up here, we'll probably go fish it. So much ice. Holy crap. No stepping in mud. It's my favorite thing. Ice mud. This is a trail. What are we doing? Nothing yet. Nothing. In the summer we're gonna do a lot more stuff. It's over and over here. That's a nice waterfall. New waterfall actually. I guess us demolished it. Any fish? Tell me in the comments if you see any fish. I don't. But yeah, I want to go show you something. It's sick. Mostly ice. Nice. But let me go show you guys. Underwater caves or whatever. Saw this a while back ago. Not the creek, I just found it. Oh, yeah. These stones. They're kind of cut over here. I think we'll get in there. Have my hand in my pocket. Cold out here. Underwater caves a little bit. 1 second. You can see better over here. See how sick that is? Imagine catching the fish in there. That would be awesome, dude. It's all the way down here. I might even be stepping on one. I could fall in. And there's mud lands. Then it's looking close to the edge of my property. This would be very good frog hunting. Oh, frog hunt soon. And duck hunt soon. I want to do a bunch of stuff this summer. In the winter. I guess it's small fish. I ain't gonna be able to catch those. It's good cost. Ooh, a bigger creek. It's much colder over here. This creek is like full of ice. How am I gonna get across this one? This over here. I guess I have to jump. Like these deers did. Oh god. This is mudlands over here. I think above this hill is my property. Crap. I'm stuck. There always have to be thorns. That's why you demolish them. This might actually be my end of my property. At this creek. This is a cool creek I've never seen it before. Sorry, there. Ow. I would never go on a log. It's not so long been on a log. I fell into water. I bet that would break with my weight. I'm only like 100. Some sort. How am I gonna get going? I can't jump that far. I bet it's not good, but heck no. We're going down here. I'm never trusting a log again. After that, what happened? So I guess. Ow. That again. Drawing that murder myself up here. This would be very good. Riding dirt bikes and ATVs over here. Let's see what's above this hill. Ooh, cool. Sorry, my nose is runny. Is sick. Good, this is probably the end I'm gonna go. Let's go back up. This is a fence right there. This is my end of my property. Put back. Big tree knocked down. Holy crap. Big one. Probably don't look that big on camera. It's big. Got leaves on it. It's got open over here. So open. The hard part is trying to find a way back to the ATV. That's the scary part, dude. I guess if I have to find a creek, we should be fine. So open down here. I think I found it. Found it. First creek I went across. Let's go over there. Big trees. Big hole. I'm throwing it. I heard a noise. Creepy out here. Walking by yourself. That's just creepy to me. You could die any minute. Hey, the hard part. Getting back over it. I'm a ninja. What's that? What part being that? But I don't get spiked every 3 seconds. Holy. I'm way back in the creek. This creek name. There's no fish in this water. Hope this video gets 100 views. So, it's 100 views. Get in the headache. I think it's fine. I know where I'm at. The dangerous part. That's where I'm at. Now I think I just follow it. I hope I just follow it. Holy crap. Look on this bamboo right there. I wonder what is bamboo. Overgrown stuff everywhere. Berries. I'm not eating those. Holy crap. Let's walk through it. This is kind of big. There's a fish. It's nice. This is a knife in it. Oh, I know all that. 60-minute video so far. Nice. I might fish or ride my bike. Not riding. That'd be sick. Sick video if I did that. Almost there, guys. I'll be back when I'm on my TV. Bye. I'm back, guys. Right down the track. Soon I'll get my GoPro. So I don't have to hold my hand like that. Then I'll be fast.